Hey, Coach C here, and today I want to talk about a defensive principle called the dig steal. Now, Damian Lillard is really good at using his quick hands and helping out on defense to get an easy steal. But there are a couple things to think about when attempting a steal like this, and so we're going to go over it. So a dig steal generally happens when your teammate is guarding a player who's driving towards the basket. Now, it works best if you are one pass away, so it is a little bit of a gamble, so be careful. Now, the key to the dig steal is to watch the offensive player's eyes, because if their eyes are up, it's generally going to be a little bit more dangerous because they can pass to the guy that you're leaving. So all begins as the offensive player is hell-bent on getting to the basket. You're going to help away from your player and try to get a piece of the basketball. Now, you have to make sure that you don't get any part of their arm here, because no matter what, even if it's just a little bit of arm, the refs will call you for a foul. Now, I've also found that this works really well against the other team's best player or their most aggressive player, because generally they're not looking to pass. What's nice about this too is sometimes if you whiff and get nothing but air, it allows your teammate time to get back in front of the driving offensive player. So try this technique out next time you play and see if you can get a couple extra steals. Also, if you're new to Shot Mechanics, hit that subscribe button because we got 5 videos coming every week that are going to get you better. You can also hit the annotation above or the link in the description and get a free copy of our top 3 favorite shooting secrets. Plug these mechanics directly into your game and watch your shooting percentage go up overnight. Again, I'm Coach Colin Castella. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.